Hi guys. Today I thought I'd share some of the items from my Amazon shopping list that I use to make my daily smoothie with my Ninja Smart Torque personal blender. Most everything I'm using was purchased on Amazon. I start with some Fresca, and then I add in my Spring Valley calcium tablets and acidophilus tablets. To make them easier to blend, I grind them up using this Easy Dose pill grinder. It works really well, and honestly, it's one of those small kitchen tools that gets used almost every day. I love how finely it grinds my pills, and it makes adding them to my smoothie quick and easy. Next, I add 1 scoop of Oregon creatine, followed by some frozen fruit that I keep stored in a Rubbermaid take-alongs container in the freezer. Keeping the fruit frozen and ready to go makes it much easier to throw together a smoothie when I'm in a hurry. Then I add a little cheat ingredient, a spoonful of Cool Whip. It gives the smoothie a nice creamy texture, adds a little sweetness, and makes the whole thing feel more like a treat than a health drink. You'll also notice I'm using an SS101 replacement blade that I purchased on Amazon. My original blade eventually wore out after lots of use, and replacing the blade was a lot more affordable than replacing the entire blender. Now it's time to blend everything together. One funny thing about my Ninja blender is that it's pretty loud, so I wear safety first ear protection while it's running. It may look a little funny, but it definitely helps cut down on the noise. After a quick blend, my smoothie is ready to go. It's a simple routine, but having these items on hand makes it easy to stay consistent and get my day started. And that's how I make my smoothie each day using a few of my favorite Amazon finds.